When replacing an I/O board in the 4100 plus, be sure to check the resistors in the existing board and replace them as one for one as the board that you removed. If you do not know the resistors from the board you removed, it's easy to go to the panel and pull up the I/O point associated with the board. If it's a switched input, you leave the existing resistor in there, which is a 2K. And if it's an output or a relay or an LED or output type of point, you pull the 2K out and insert a 20 ohm resistor in there. Failure to do this will not allow for a proper relay operation on the outputs. You might not notice that with the LEDs because the LEDs take very little to run off of, but you'll notice that a lot of the relays for the outputs will not operate because there is not enough current to pull the relay in. We'll find this out on a lot of fan shutdown, AHU, on and off. They use I/O points typically for a lot of that. Sometimes they use I/O points for elevator recall, and you'll find that your elevator recall is not working. So when you replace these boards, please check these resistors and pull out the 2Ks and put the 20 ohm back and match up what was there before. And if you don't know, pull it up on the panel and check every point. If it's a switch, keep the 2K in. If it's a relay or LED, pull that 2K out and put the 20 in. I hope this was helpful.